Okay, so welcome to the flyer design class using Photoshop, and I'm going to be very slow. It's going to be a step-by-step guide to creating a flyer, and all you have to do is just do as I do, and then in a short moment of time you'll be able to create a good flyer. So, and like I always tell people, when it comes to flyer design, the best method for flyer design is always the method of inspiration. The method of inspiration is good for beginners, especially because as a beginner you are not you are creative, but you have not sharpened your creativity to be able to generate concepts on your own. So it's the best method where all beginners have used to develop themselves is by using the copy and paste method. We call it copy and paste method. Some people call it inspiration method. Some people call it do as I do method. But the process is just rubbing your minds against a already accomplished designer, building your creativity by getting inspiration from other designers that have just trying to reproduce what a better person has done. If you can do what somebody else has done, over time you'll be able to create your own. So you need to develop your creativity. I used to see a lot of newbie designer trying to create something by themselves. I would say no, you are not creative yet. You need to develop your creativity and sharpen your creativity to be able to create concepts on your own. So I always encourage them that before designing a flyer, you first go and get inspiration. Find a flyer that you say, oh, I like this flyer, I like the concept, can I reproduce this? And then you are good to go. That is always the first step. So when it comes to flyer design, you can write it down. Step 1, find inspiration from another flyer. Get a template. You can write it, get a template that you want to recreate. That is always step 1. If you are designing as a newbie without a template, I'm telling you, you do a lot of things wrongly, because first, your creativity is not developed enough to be able to arrange text, to be able to know colors. And then when people teach you color theory, they still need to teach you application of color theory, which you only learn it by doing it. Because your own red can be too sharp, and then when people see it, they are wearing eyeglasses to see your design. So I'm going to make these videos very short and very concise, and then you can begin to develop your creativity. So I'll just show you how to develop your creativity, how to create design flyers from using the inspiration method, using the copy and paste method. And if you can do that, you see, Albert Einstein said something. He said every great designer is anybody that knows how to have a source and then hide his source. You have a source of inspiration, but then you know how to hide your source. People will just see that, wow, they won't know that you got the inspiration from somewhere. So that's what we are going to be doing. So I'm going to show you some couple of tools that makes you able to do that, and then you'll be fine. Enjoy the ride.